Dear students, I welcome you all to the Standard 6 Social Science class. Today I am going to teach you Part 3 Civics, Chapter 4. All of you open page number 234. Dear children, today we will discuss about social movement. What is social movement? Social movement is a movement organized by a group of people on specific social or political issue. To draw the attention of the government and the masses to a particular problem, groups of people organize themselves into the social movements. The Narmada Bachao Andolan is a social movement which a group of people started to highlight on the drawbacks of the construction of a dam on the Narmada River. Members of the minority community, Dalits, Adivasis, women, and others often participate in this manner. See children, Narmada Bachao Andolan. Next we will see role of media. What is the role of media? To express the view of people about the things that are unjust and unfair can also be brought forward by means of mass media. Mass media is a means of communication which influences people widely. These are the main agencies which help to make public opinion about an issue. Now we will see the press. The press plays an important role in the formation of public opinion. The press includes newspapers, journals, and magazines. Now we will see one by one. First we will see newspaper. Newspapers report incidents and highlight important issues every day and expresses their views in their editorials on important matters. After reading the newspapers, people come to know about the incidents occurring nearby or in the world or about the policies and decisions of the government. It helps to make a public opinion on a certain issue. It is the most effective means of spreading awareness in the public. Public opinions are published in the newspapers which help the government in formulating policies on important issues. Dear children, next we will see television. Television is a very popular means which influence the large number of people. Daily news bulletins provide all important news. Discussion and debate on different topics highlight the problem faced by the general public. Radio. What is radio? Radio is a means which is heard at every nook and corner of the country, even by illiterate persons. The news broadcast on radio reaches a large number of people. So radio also a main means of communication. The internet. Now we will see. The internet is the fastest and modern means of creating awareness and public opinion among the people. It helps to understand the working of the government. accountability of a democratic government. Now we will see what is this. In democracy, government is accountable to the people. To make the strong democratic character of the government, it is necessary for the people to become alert and get interested in the functioning of the government. People belonging to different groups having different views on different issues arise conflicts in the society. Conflicts often lead to violence and loss of lives and properties. Because some groups use violent methods against others, this leads to disruption of normal life. Equality and justice in democracy. Now we will see what is equality and justice in democracy. Equality and justice are inseparable and they are the two important principles of the democracy. In India, government has taken these steps to create equality in country. I will see removing of untouchability. Point 1. Untouchability causes inequalities in Indian society. People of upper caste do not even touch those who belong to the lower castes. Now, untouchability has been abolished and its practice is punishable by the law. Point 2. Position of women. For the better development of society, the progress and well-being of women is necessary. In India, girl child is not as welcomed as boy child. The women's suffrage has abolished the gender bias to some extent, but still women are to be neglected in Indian society. The government has enacted many laws to bring about welfare of women. The equal right in property helps in improving the status of girls in India. Children, turn the page. Now we will discuss point 3. Development of weaker section. Indian government has taken many steps to improve the conditions of weaker sections and to promote the interest of the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, the minorities and other weaker sections of society. The Constitution of India gives the citizens the right to equality, right to freedom of religion, and right to education to maintain their dignity and equality in society. Minorities should be given equal rights in society. Okay, students, thank you.